Yeah, Honda's done a 180. They've decided to start production of Walk Behind Mowers again here in America. But it is not what I was hoping for. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. Hope everybody's having a great week. Yeah, you heard it here. Honda is bringing back Walk Behind Mowers, but it is definitely not what you're expecting. If you do not know what I am talking about, in 2023, Honda decided to completely stop production of their Walk Behind Mowers. Even with being one of the leading manufacturers in the world, they decided in America, they ain't doing it no more. So now you can still buy Honda Walk Behind Mowers today at certain locations, but those mowers are from 2023. They have not made any in the last year and a half. But I just found out at last year's expo in Louisville, Kentucky, they came out with a huge announcement that they're bringing Walk Behind Mowers back to America. But unfortunately, it's not those gas-powered mowers we've grown to love. Yes, they've decided to come back into the market with battery-powered equipment. Ugh. Why can't they come back with some gas-powered too? Now, they said they were coming out in spring of 2025, but when I talked to my dealer, they said they had just spoke with their salesman about 2 weeks ago, and they said that they're not going to be getting them in until the end of this year. So I don't know exactly when they will start hitting the shelves, but these things look a little scary. I don't know if you've seen Battlestar Galactica, the one from the 2000s, not the 70s. I'm not that old, but these things look like they are straight up Cylons. I mean, is this the beginning of the end? Is this where AI and battery-powered takes over the world? We're living in our own Terminator. Seriously. I mean, look at the thing. Throw some wings on it, and I swear, it's taking out Caprica. Now, when it comes to price, be ready to drop a dime. They are starting at about $1,300 for the homeowner one to about $1,900 for the commercial one. That's a chunk. Now, although these mowers are not out just yet, Honda put out a video just a few days ago letting you know if you'd like to, you can pre-order today. And if you do, you will get a free battery worth $500. Now, the good thing is, if it's like their other mowers, you will have a 3-year warranty, which the battery will be covered under that time. But after that 3 years, you might have to buy a $500 battery. Just saying. Which I don't believe that any battery, any mower, none of this stuff is worth this much. But whatever, I digress. Now, like all other products, it seems like they always end up doing a huge recall. Doesn't matter who it is, Stihl, Husqvarna, you name it. They're going to have a huge recall when they come out. Honda might not, okay? They might be perfect. But it seems like every time one of these big manufacturers pushes a huge battery-powered product, they end up recalling a ton of them. Let me give you some examples, like Stihl's IMO robotic lawnmower. Over 2,700 units had to be recalled in 2023 due to short circuit when exposed to moisture, posing a fire hazard. Husqvarna, their auto mower. These things sold for like $4,000 to $5,000. Hazard: the lithium-ion battery in the lawnmower can overheat, posing a risk of fire. This happened in 2022. But it doesn't matter. Every single brand you look at has had some kind of recall. Ego, 85,000 units. Battery-powered hedge trimmers, rear switch trigger fail. Laceration hazard. Cobalt, 28,000 cordless electric lawnmowers can short circuit and catch fire. DR Power Equipment had to recall thousands of chainsaws when the motor controller in the chainsaw could overheat, posing fire and burn hazards. And let's not forget about Ryobi 40-volt brushless cordless walk-behind mowers. Over 240,000 walk-behind mowers had to be recalled when there was 97 reports of overheating, including 5 fires and 2 minor burn injuries. There was Stihl with 63,000 batteries manufactured around 2021, with 100 reports, including 49 cases of property damage and 8 injuries from them overheating, smoking, melting, and posing fire and burn hazards. I'm assuming you're seeing the trend here. And then, of course, we can't forget the DeWalt battery-powered debacle. So you might wait a minute, see what happens first. Now, if you're into the battery thing, it does come with a couple more perks. With it being part of the HRX series, it comes with the dual blade system, which is on most of the Honda stuff, and it's pretty sweet. Gives you that extra mulch, especially if you've got good grass. But if you got a lot of rocks or you grow rocks like I do in my yard in Arkansas, it's just gonna beat the deck more and more with that dual blade design. It also comes with the Nixite Deck, and the Nixite Deck is pretty cool. It's made out of this super durable polymer that's like highly impact resistant. It resists dents, rust, and corrosion, making it super strong but a super lightweight option. It's almost like the same material used in football helmets and car bumpers, which Honda actually offers a lifetime guarantee on those decks. That's pretty cool. Now, along with some of the other HRX options that it's brought along with these battery-powered ones is the VersaMo, and what that is, there's a lever on the back that actually, it closes the door to your chute, and depending on what section you have it in, you could either have it full-blown bagging, you can have it completely closed mulching, or you can have it leaf collection or something like that. It's a pretty cool thing, so you don't have to take your bag off and put a plug in if you want to mulch, so that's pretty cool. Now, along with these battery-powered walk-behind mowers, they came out or are coming out with a brand new ZeroTurn, completely battery-powered, which they say can mow up to 15 acres on one charge. I'd have to see it to believe it. Unfortunately, I can't find a dealer yet that actually has one, so I don't even know the price of them, but I'm going to guess that they're pretty expensive. I did see some videos from the expo on them, and they look really cool. They got all the bells and whistles. The battery, of course, is completely contained. You can't get to it. If you have any issues, you do have to go to a dealer for repairs. And like most Honda stuff, you only have 3-year warranty. So that other battery might be $500. I can't imagine what a ZeroTurn battery is. Your guess is as good as mine. So guys, this would be a much cooler video if I was breaking the news that they were coming back with all their gas-powered walk-behind mowers, but unfortunately, no. It's battery power. Just like all the other brands are pushing it hardcore. There must be a lot of money into it because, there is really no fixing it. It's just replacing parts. Now, are we realistically going to see these here in America? My Honda dealer says they were supposed to be here already, but now they've been pushed back till the end of the year. So we'll see. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that Honda comes back with their perfectly great gas-powered self-propelled lawnmowers for $600 to $900. I'm crossing my fingers. Just wanted to remind you guys, Father's Day, you only have a few days left. If you have not bought something for that special someone, I have the ultimate list in the description box below. Go check it out. And thank you for tuning back into Chickanic. If you find yourself coming back over and over again, think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you ain't tired of me yet, check this video out right here.